Oh, this is great. Okay, I need to get my hair out of this. All right, hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be switching hair routines.
We're already mid-process of this.
Yeah. So we already washed her hair. First of all, she has like board straight hair, like does not have to straighten it, nothing. It just, and it's very long. It dries. Yeah, it dries board straight. And then I have wavy curly hair. So we already did our shower routines, which I made a video of my whole entire shower routine if you want to check it out. But anyway, explain what you've already done in the shower, what I had you do.
Oh, what you had me do? Okay. What do you use? Maui Moisture?
Yeah, I'll put pictures on the screen of the products I use and I'll link them down below for both of us.
So, I used her Maui Moisture shampoo. I had to rinse and repeat because that's what I do on my normal
I should have had you co-wash. I usually just wash my hair with conditioner.
Because I use dry shampoo and stuff, so I have to do it twice. It doesn't lather the first time. She had me put the conditioner in my hair and let it sit. I, washed my body, washed my face, did everything else. And then I had to brush my hair with the conditioner in it in the shower, which I don't normally do.
It was a process.
It was a long process.
I can't believe it because my hair to take almost in 2 seconds and I don't wash my hair nearly as much as she does and it's curly, so it's just so odd. Like how tingly her hair gets, but it's very long. God. You'll see it's really long. So.
Yeah, it's like down to
her butt crack.
My butt.
Yeah, that's down her butt crack.
And so I brush it and then I realized that I had to part it the way that I'm gonna wear it. So then that was another process.
So then she parted it like and then it got tangly again and then we had to the whole thing. And my shampoo and conditioner has no sulfates or silicones or anything, which is different because usually silicones will make your hair look and feel shinier. So that might feel different on her hair. So her shampoo and conditioner is the
Function of Beauty.
I could immediately tell a difference in my scalp, just like not in a bad way. It's just different it's just so much cleaner feeling. Usually mine just feels very like hydrated. This just feels very like my hair feels like healthy. It's just way different. And if you've used like non-sulfate shampoos and stuff.
Yeah, my hair feels not great.
Yeah. It's just different. They need different things. I mean, she has oily hair and I have like dry, curly hair. So we use completely different products. And then her conditioner, I was like, this is not hydrating enough.
I normally do is I wash my hair, rinse, repeat. And then I put the conditioner in it and I let it sit. So that's kind of the same as far as letting the conditioner sit in your hair. But
yeah,
I don't
I'm sure
brush
everybody
it.
does that.
That's pretty much the gist of the
just
shower.
a very brief.
Very.
I made her do like half my shower routine because sometimes I'll do protein treatment. Sometimes I just do.
Yeah, we did the basic.
Yeah, I just did very basic because I didn't want her to put protein in her hair because I think it would really screw her hair up. Yeah, that's what we've done so far. And I plopped her hair. By the way, this is how I let my hair dry when I'm doing my makeup and stuff. If I don't feel like immediately diffusing. This is a t-shirt from Dare.
Don't do drugs.
Yeah, don't do drugs. So she's been plopping, and it's just hilarious seeing her in that. And then I used a freaking towel in my hair, which I don't let towels touch my hair.
Oh yeah, I wrap my hair up in a towel.
So when I style my hair, I make sure it's sopping wet, right? So I even put more water before I even get out of the shower. This hoe had me squeegeeing my hair out.
I wring all the water out of my hair when I'm in the shower and then I put it in the towel. And with her, she's like, oh, it's gonna be soaking wet. And I'm like, excuse me, what?
I literally have soaking wet
I'm like,
hair
how do you get ready? Like, I'm just imagining the water and because we have to re-wet my hair because we didn't do that so that I could look presentable.
We could do our makeup. Yeah, I have to go re-wet my hair a little bit too. When I get out of the shower, I immediately come and diffuse it or put it in the plop. So before I put my clothes on, before I do anything. So.
It's dripping.
I've been dripping. Alright, so I'm gonna style hers first because it's a little more time sensitive.
Oh my god, it feels so naughty! This is gonna be a freaking disaster.
Oh god.
Spray where you need to spray.
Spray where you need to spray. Alright, well that was a journey. Okay, so since we put that conditioning product in, I'm gonna go in with my favorite mousse, which is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. All right, and then I use the praying hands method, and I just. Oh god. Oh god, this is great. I just glaze it over the hair, rake some of it through, or not, because her hair is flying. So that's the first step. And then I go in with mousse, gel. This has got to be spiked up gel.
How do you do this? This hurts my back.
Dude, I know. Why do you think I had back problems? Glazing that hair.
God, I'm gonna have ramen noodle hair.
Now I'm gonna go in with the t-shirt you plop with, and I'm gonna scrunch and pick up any excess product. Dude, this. Hey, it's got little curls. Oh, Heather!
Don't get your hopes up.
Look at it. They got little waves.
Wait, I'm sitting down.
Yeah.
It's hurting my back a little bit.
Gonna hairspray over it. And you can flip your head over. Dude, you got a little bit of a poot wave. You look so beachy. Look at it. All right, time to diffuse.
Ooh, look at that highlight.
I know, I told you. And I'm alternating between hot and cold. If you can hear me, send help. It looks kind of curly. Look at that. Especially on camera, do you see?
It looks like wavy.
Okay, we'll show back up and it looks better.
I swear it's like Murphy's Law today. Anything that can go wrong with Heather is going wrong. Look at it!
It happens to me all the time. That's what I do.
You want me to rip my hair out? There's no like back blow.
No.
We're laughing!
Your face is so focused.
Because I don't want to rip it out!
It's just... So this is what we're looking at. This side looks better than this side. And then I'll usually just let it dry until the cast forms, and I'll scrunch it out with some oil. So while we're waiting for the rest of her hair to sort of air dry, well, first let's get a close up. I mean, it's got a little poot of a curl. It's a little bit curly.
It looks like I went to the beach and my hair's just like full of salt water.
Well, my hair has done dried again. So what do you want me to do?
I think you should probably rewet your hair because it's gonna make a difference.
It's dripping.
I've been dripping.
I've been dripping. Just do what you do, girl.
Spray the
It's a 10.
leave-in conditioner all over, and then I spray it more as needed.
Oh, babe.
Mr. Babe.
Mr. Babe. That's our new voice for our dog. He's laying on my bed right now.
She's got a lot of names.
Yeah. Mr. Babe. Sir Babe Orton.
Notorious B.I.B.
Notorious B.I.B. Heather, I look like a freaking dude that's slicking his hair back. All that precious water. It's just gone.
Nope. Where we're going, you're not gonna need it.
Oh, be careful, because if you get your hair in the back.
Twice!
I'm sorry. Her hair is very long. It was hard to control it at the angle I was at. Okay.
I unplugged it.
You know, I think it looks good. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I thought it was gonna look like, you know, absolute crap, but, you know, it looks good. Oh, I can see your undies. Oh, are you wearing? Okay.
It's short.
Okay. Yeah, you were wearing granny panties or something.
Basically, I kind of just start blow drying it, and then once it starts to get a little more dry, then I
Look
start
how
using
pretty
the brush.
it looks. It looks so beachy. I'm sorry. Anyway, continue. I'll stop talking.
Anyways, I said what I needed to say.
Your way's a lot more relaxing than my way.
I know, right? Low maintenance.
If I could be low maintenance, I would be low maintenance. Oh, right here.
Keeps on plugging. So sometimes I like part it because the bottom will stay wet. I want it to be damp.
Yeah, you know.
Where's the cleat?
That just sounded like you said something. Oh, it's right here.
She's going to get the clip.
The clip.
The cleat. And then you just take pieces. And this is when you grab the brush. You blow dry. And then you grab the brush. Yeah, your hair's a little poofy.
Yeah.
Why? I don't like your blow dryer. At least it didn't rip my hair out this time.
She's doing my
That's
hair. She's doing my hair.
It's
and it
getting
gets stuck.
clipped back. Over this crap. So you're like mostly dry.
Mm-hmm.
So I just brush my hair again, and then this is another function of beauty thing that I have, and I do like a drop or two depending on how long the hair is. It's cherry blossom.
It smells good.
And I just kind of rake it through with my fingers. And I don't do it at the, I'll do like maybe like a little tiny bit up here, but not a
Like
lot.
leftover on your hand or something.
Yeah, just to get like the frizzies. But other than that, I don't, because my hair will get so greasy and it'll look oily and nasty. And then like at the ends, I'll start putting my palms where most of the oil is.
All right, moment of truth. It doesn't look that bad.
No.
I mean, it's kind of like using that Revlon round brush that I like. It looks good though. I mean, I wouldn't like leave the house like this. But I was expecting like, you know.
Yeah, no.
Nice.
But yes, that's
All right. And now I take a poot of oil. I measure in poot.
God, there's so much product in my hair.
Yep, that's how. And I just scrunch out the crunchiness. So that's nice and soft again. So you can't feel the gel cast and everything anymore. And there we go! Heather's curly hair. And Hannah's straight hair.
Poofy.
Hannah's poofy hair.
Poof poof.
Alright, so this is the final look. I mean, hers is a little wet still, but I don't think it'd look much different if it was drier, so. We'll do a 360 of our hair so you can see around.
To the left. To the right.
Go to the back. Is there any part of my routine that you would use in your routine?
No.
So no part of my routine, not even my shampoo or conditioner.
No, I'm not really a big fan of your shampoo and conditioner.
Oh, fine.
Well, I mean the oil part. You put oil in like I put oil in.
I use your oil. I ask, what part of my routine would you maybe like to use? Well, I liked my oil that you put in my hair.
It's too much. There's too much going on with it. No.
For your hair, yeah.
Like, I feel like I have cradle cap or something back here, right?
Yeah, it's just...
That does not feel right.
Wait, let me turn. Get closer to the camera so I can see. Just...
That doesn't feel right.
It doesn't
checking for lice?
Yeah,
Parting my hair looking for like bugs.
With my hair, I usually brush that down, but I was too scared to get a freaking brush in your hair again.
What did you like about my routine?
So I liked the oil. And
So we're in agreement with oil.
the oil's nice. And I like the leave-in conditioner. Anyway, so this basically just confirmed what we already thought was gonna happen, which was that
it was gonna turn out bad.
Yeah. I mean, I think your hair routine is good for your hair. You know, like her hair always looks really nice and like healthy and stuff. So that was fun. That was interesting.
Not doing that again.
No. Glad we got it on camera because we're not doing it again.
Yeah. Did everyone see that? Because I will not be doing that again.
Did everyone see that? Because I will not be doing it again.
It's funny because our mom, so for me, I'm the oldest, and she prayed that I would have straight hair.
Mm-hmm.
And then I came out with straight hair.
Yeah.
Bored straight hair. But it's funny because when my mom was pregnant with her, she was praying that she would have curly hair.
Yeah.
And then,
She was like, I want a little Cuban looking girl. Came out with freaking curly hair, which I'm grateful for. We both like our hair.
Oh yeah.
Just-
I love that my hair is low maintenance and I don't have to do all this nonsense to get it to look nice all the time. I can just wash my hair, get out.
The one thing I envy. I don't
put
like
some
that my
leave-in conditioner,
hair.
brush it, and then it just dries.
I don't like that my hair is so high maintenance, but I like that it's curly. Alrighty, well, thank you for watching this video. You putting your hair up? You're not gonna be able to put it up. You crazy. Ain't gonna flatten back down.
No.
I can't put my hair up the first day I do
Look at how my blonde looks all like,
it. It looks yang.
yeah, I don't know how to explain that.
Mm-hmm. Get your highlight. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, comment down below what your hair type is, and if your hair is anything like ours, if you do anything similar to us,
Or if you do anything different.
yeah, if you got any tips, let me know, because that'd be great. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.